Good day to all employers. My name is Rolinette Baltasar from Philippines. I'm a 41 years old. I'm a married. I have four children aged 21 years old, 19 years old, 11 years old, and 5 years old. I have experience as domestic helper in Hong Kong in 2 months. Serve a four members of the family, one couple and 2 years old and 4 years old. My duties is cooking, ironing, washing clothes, gardening, and teach the children the homework and the activities. And also I have a two pet, one dog and one cat. I also experienced as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia in 2 years. I serve a four members to family, one couple and two children aged 5 and 8 years old. The main duties is cooking, ironing, cleaning the house, and have a pet owl. From the experience as I learned how and manage time for work expertly and under the pressure and adjust to different culture and housework roles. I take the pride in the being honest, truthfully, hardworking, and careful. I enjoy the working and with families, especially children, and I will always make sure the home and serve comfortable, organized, and filled with positive energy. Thank you for taking the time to know me.